Hi everybody, Grandma Bev here from Life with Grandma Bev. Is my lipstick all smudged now? And today I'm going to share with you a new Fair Trade Friday box. Now this is a little one compared to what they usually are when they come. I was kind of disappointed last month, so we'll see what's in this month, and it may determine if I continue to keep doing them. So anyway, I sliced the box open. I hadn't looked in it yet. And, oh, he is here. He is here. And Lou's over there. I know, Lou, you're trying to sleep. She was cute. She slept with us. I guess I opened the box up upside down. Here's the way it should have looked. She slept with us all night because I pulled in one of my all-nighters where I was awake all night. I finally got up around 2. Went in the guest room, watched TV, yeah, watched some YouTube videos. Okay. This is a welcome home. And inside the little book, well, I hope that's in there. That's cute. It's got a little description about everything that is in the box, where it came from. And let's see, they got a card here. Oh, these are stickers to gift one of your fair trade products. Okay, so if I decide I want to gift one. Okay, first thing. It's a leather loop keychain. And that's by, let's see what it says. Excuse me. Retails for $10. This thing, $10. Okay. It was made by Street Hope in Kenya. And it's got info in the back here. It says, Street Hope is comprised of 16 women in a Mathare slum in Nairobi, Kenya, who have lived most of their lives on the streets. Many were orphaned as children and have only known a life of poverty, while others became homeless due to difficult circumstances, forcing them to do whatever necessary to survive. Mercy House Global began training and employing these women in 2016. And one by one, they have moved into homes, gaining skills, confidence, and overcoming addiction. This will probably be a giveaway item, because I don't use keychains. Now, what is this? Oh, wall hooks. Okay, wooden wall hooks. They call it Rahab's Rope, R-A-H-A-B-S. Rahab's Rope exists to empower women and children in the fight against human trafficking. The founder and her team seek to equip women with skills to live a life of hope and sustainability. Through the provision of a safe and loving environment, basic education, and vocational training, the artisans are empowered to grow and develop physically, mentally, financially, and spiritually. I'm all for that. Let's see what they say about it. $30, and they're made in India. I wonder how to make a picture of it. How they do it, or how it looks when it's put together. I guess maybe inside the package. Well, let's see. Put it against the wall. Has to be like that. I don't know. I'll have to investigate this more, but that might be interesting keeping that. Then we have something liquid. What's that smell like? It's a familiar smell, but see my floor here, just been throwing things in here. It's room spray. It's distilled water, witch hazel, clove, and cinnamon essential oils, handmade by refugees living in the USA. Well, let's see what. And it retails for $8. Any other info? Oh, there's a picture. There's a picture of the wooden wall hooks. Put it that way. So that part sticks out. I was trying to put it against the wall like that. It says a couple of spritzes of our cinnamon and clove room spray will fill your home with the essence of fall. This warm and spicy fragrance mist was handmade by refugees who have settled in the USA. Well, we all know they've got a lot of them coming in right now from Afghanistan. Need to help those folks. Instructions: trim atomizer tube before inserting into the bottle. Prime the sprayer by pressing down several times to fill the tube. Spray to fill the room with the aroma of fall. It's kind of a, yeah, it is kind of a cinnamony clove smell. I'll keep that too. Oh, this is cute. This is handcrafted in Rwanda. For generations, Rwandan women have been sitting together sharing advice on life and craft as they weave. The artisan who wove this piece you now hold spent hours holding it in skilled hands, transforming plant fibers into a thing of beauty. The sisal plant from which this item was made still grows on a hillside in Rwanda. With their fair wage income, the artisans stand together against poverty, a force of beauty and strength. It's created by Alphonsine, Alphonsine. Now, that's funny. I have an ancestor who married a gal from France named Alphonsine, way back, though. I'm talking back in the early 1900s. So what does they say in here about it? Catch-all basket, $25. But look at that. I mean, it's really soft. I believe they did all that just from a plant. I can always use one of these. Now, I don't know if more's coming or what, but on the cover, it got this. And I saw that, I thought, ooh, is that in here? But it's not. But I like that. You know how I've been getting little like succulents and little plants and putting them in things. So let's see. I have it. There's a code where you can get 20% off your first in-app purchase. Well, I don't know if you can see it. Welcome 20. But yeah, okay, I'll give them another month's try. So that's it. What y'all think? I always like to help people. I always like to help people who are disadvantaged, and I'm lucky to have everything I have in the life I have now. So I like to try to share it. Comment below. Share. Share. Like, subscribe, and I hope you're all having a wonderful day. I love you all. Bye.